Hello, video gamers out there. It's me again, Captain Awesome. So I have here my PS4 or PlayStation VR in a box. So we're going to open this one and find out what's inside of this box. This is my first time to have PlayStation VR, so for those of you who don't have and planning to have one, maybe this is a help for you to be able to know what's inside a PlayStation VR box. By the way, this is a sort of, what is this? PlayStation VR bundle. So if you're planning to buy a bundle, this will be your thing. And the amount of this one is something like this price. So it's 300 something, almost 350, or let us say $350. So if you will buy one and you will have to get one, then this is what you will get. So we'll open this now. So the moment you open this box, you will have this thing inside. One is this box, which is, oh, sorry, I think here is already outside of the box, so I think I just took it a while ago. So inside of this is the box containing the connection to your TV and to the console of the PlayStation Plus, and aside from that, the other two games that is part of the bundle, and then the stick to be played with. So this is the stick that you can use. Here we have two sticks, by the way, for you to be able to use. So here we have those things, the first box. Okay, so for those of you who are planning to buy one, remember you have two boxes in one box for your VR, PSVR. Okay, and then there are two free games for this VR, by the way. One is, just go here, this one. One is Borderlands 2 and Beat Saber. Okay, and inside of the other box is this one. Of course, before that is a PlayStation VR instructions manual for you to install the VR in your TV and in your console. Okay, the one that I was talking about a while ago is this one, so it's part of that one in the first box. The second box is here, and in this box, you will see the VR itself. In this box, you will see the VR itself. Oh, this is already a combination of a lot of things. Okay, so we have the camera that you can attach to your TV so that your control for your VR will definitely work. This is your earphone for your VR, so you can use your earphone to monitor the voice and the sounds This is your USB for your control box for your VR. Okay. Of course, this AC cord and some connectors to it. Okay. So, and then this is the connection as well. Aside from that, we have the HDMI cable to make it more nicer. And the last one is the VR itself. Wow. This is the VR that you can use for playing VR games. Look at that. New set of VR games that you can watch. And of course the cable to it. And I think that's it. That's the items that you can find if you buy a PSVR items or VR gadgets for your own PS4 in a very nice box. So if you would like to know more about PS4 VR, just follow my YouTube channel and find out. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. See you next time for my other experiments or other videos about everything that you can imagine regarding your video games, if you're a gamer or a collector of all kinds, coins, bills, and whatnot. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please subscribe so that you can see my other videos upcoming in these coming days. For more videos to come, please subscribe once again, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.